Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Muse symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Muse symbol in Google Docs mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, just open any document here. So to insert the Muse symbol, you just need to use your keyboard because there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet mobile. So I just using my keyboard. So just tap on here. This is a Google keyboard or keyboard. You can use your keyboard. So first of all, click on this number section. Then you just need to click on the equal section for the more symbols. Now you just want to long press on the pi symbol. You will see this pop up, and here you can find the Muse symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. So this is how you just insert the Muse symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. You just want to long press on the pi symbol. It's a hidden trick, and the pop-up will be appears, and you just drag and select the Muse symbol. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.